Hello everyone, and welcome to Easy English Learning. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake. This is the podcast where we speak slowly and clearly in easy English.
If you're learning English, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about daily life and how to use simple English every day.
Let's begin. Are you ready, Emma?
I'm ready. Let's go. 1. Morning routine.
So, Emma, what do you do in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Sometimes. If I'm tired, a shower helps me wake up. After that, I eat breakfast. What about you, Jake?
My morning is simple. I get up, drink a glass of water, and stretch my body.
That's a good habit. Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I usually eat eggs and toast. And of course, coffee. I need my coffee.
Haha, same here. I love coffee in the morning. 2. Going to work or school. After breakfast, many people go to work or school. What time do you leave home?
I leave at 8:30. I take the bus to work.
I take the train. It's fast, but sometimes crowded.
Do you talk to people on the train?
Not usually. Most people look at their phones or read.
That's true. But you can practice English during your commute.
Yes. You can listen to podcasts like this one.
Good idea.
3. Work and study.
So, Emma, what do you do at work?
I work in an office. I write emails, talk to people, and go to meetings.
Sounds busy. Do you speak English at work?
Yes, sometimes. My company has international clients.
That's great for practice. I teach English classes. I meet many students every day.
That's cool. What do your students ask?
They ask things like, how can I speak better? Or, how do I learn more words?
And what do you say?
I say, practice every day, even for 10 minutes. Speak out loud.
Yes, that helps a lot. 4. Talking about lunch. Let's talk about lunch. What do you eat for lunch, Jake?
I usually eat rice with vegetables and chicken. It's easy to cook.
Nice. I like salad or sandwiches.
Do you eat out or bring lunch from home?
I bring lunch. It's cheaper and healthier.
Good choice. Do you eat with your coworkers?
Sometimes. We speak in English and also in our native languages.
That's fun. Talking with friends is good English practice too.
5. Shopping and errands.
After work, people often go shopping. Do you like shopping, Emma?
Yes, I do. I like grocery shopping.
What do you usually buy?
Fruits, vegetables, bread, milk. The basics.
Do you go to a supermarket?
Yes. It's close to my house.
Do you make a shopping list?
Always. It helps me remember what I need.
That's smart. And if you make the list in English, it's a good way to learn new words.
Yes. Bananas, carrots, yogurt, all good words to know. 6. Relaxing in the evening. After shopping or errands, I go home and relax.
What do you do to relax?
I watch TV shows, read books, or listen to music.
In English?
Yes. I try to watch shows in English with subtitles.
That's a great idea. It helps with listening and reading.
How about you?
I like playing guitar and sometimes watching sports.
Nice. Do you watch sports in English?
Yes, I do. The commentary is fun to listen to.
That's cool. Watching something fun makes learning easy. 7. Talking to friends.
Do you talk to your friends every day?
Not every day, but often. We send messages or call each other.
In English?
Sometimes. Some of my friends speak English.
Talking to friends is good speaking practice. Even short texts help.
Yes, like how are you, or what are you doing?
Exactly. And you learn real-life words and phrases.
8. Before bed. Okay, Jake, what's your night routine?
I take a shower, change into pajamas, and brush my teeth.
Same here. Then I read a little before sleeping.
I listen to music or a podcast.
This one?
Ha ha, yes. Easy English learning helps me sleep.
That's funny. But yes, listening before bed is good. 9. English practice tips.
Let's give some easy English practice tips.
Great idea. I'll go first. Tip 1. Read something short in English every day. A news article or story.
Tip 2. Speak out loud. Even if you're alone, say what you are doing.
Tip 3. Write a short diary in English. 1 or 2 sentences is okay.
Tip 4. Use your phone in English. Change the language settings.
Tip 5. Watch simple YouTube videos for learners.
Tip 6. Listen to podcasts like this one.
Yes. And don't be afraid to make mistakes.
That's right. Mistakes help you learn.
10. Daily words and phrases. Let's review some daily English words.
Good idea. Repeat after us.
Wake up.
Brush teeth.
Eat breakfast.
Go to work.
Take the bus.
Buy groceries.
Watch TV.
Talk to friends.
Go to sleep.
Good job.
11. Fun English practice. Learning English can be fun too.
Yes. You can sing English songs.
Or play word games like Scrabble or crosswords.
You can also follow Easy English accounts on Instagram or TikTok.
And talk to AI chatbots to practice conversation.
Yes. Many people use that now. It's good practice.
Just remember, practice a little bit every day. 12. Common questions from learners.
Let's answer some common questions.
Good idea. First question, how can I speak English better?
Answer: practice speaking. Speak every day, even alone.
Second question, how do I learn new words?
Answer: read, listen, and write them down. Use flashcards.
Third question, how can I understand native speakers?
Answer: start with slow English. Then try faster conversations.
Fourth question, how long will it take to speak fluently?
Answer: it depends. But with daily practice, you'll improve fast.
13. Motivation and support. Learning a new language is not easy.
Yes, but it's possible. You can do it.
Believe in yourself. You are doing great.
Every step counts. Even 5 minutes of English a day helps.
Don't give up. We're here with you. 14. Final words.
That's all for today's episode of Easy English Learning.
Thank you for listening. We hope this helps you in your daily life.
Remember, practice a little every day and enjoy the journey.
We'll be back with another Easy English episode soon.
Until next time, bye-bye and happy learning.